let me go a little bit thicker so you can see. I'll draw a line there, so you got your line, and you just keep transferring the same line. That's pretty much all it is. So I could take that, flip it around, say it's a brick, and I'm trying to do a patio, I could transfer the same angle. The Maiko 4 folding ruler. It comes in metric and inch, so it is quite international. Being here in Japan, it's really nice to have the metrics, and also when I'm back in the States, a lot of my stuff I do is in inch, so it's pretty convenient, I've figured out. So a couple things I went through and I looked at when I was trying to purchase and everything, you know, it's cheap, so who cares, just go ahead and buy it. Well, it says right here on the very top, it's high quality ABS material. What's really funny about their comment here is ABS material eco-friendly. At ABS, the main things they say is it is not biodegradable, and also it's not a renewable resource. So the first red flag you have on this when it comes down to it is no, it is not eco-friendly. So there's already poor communication right there. I guess in China it could be eco-friendly somehow, I have no idea. But let's say it's not eco-friendly at all. Definitely not. Durable, ABS plastic is pretty rigid and stiff. I could flex it a little bit, but I'll tell you what, you drop it the wrong way, it's gonna break. So first one right there, check it off as in no, it's not eco-friendly, it's not durable, and it is definitely not sturdy to use for outside work and construction and whatnot. Good workmanship. They say it has good workmanship and all that fun stuff. See, right about there you can see the little nubs on the corner here and here. Definitely not cleaned up. A lot more cleaning could be done on it. Another thing is I've already done is this one right here will tighten down pretty well because I've done a little modification to it. You tighten down the other adjusters, you see it still flexes quite a bit. There's a reason for that, and that's another one with the poor quality and workmanship. Let me go ahead and pull this off. It's pretty tight at the beginning. The connector, as it goes through, see if I can get a good view of that for you. You see this little part on top here? It's overextended. And it's just when they made it, it just does not fit at all. The fit and finish is horrid on this thing. Quality control, definitely not. Once you buy it, get out your knife and clip off about 1 to 2 centimeters at the top of it, and then it might actually work for you and tighten up. You don't have to worry about the threads too much because it will self-thread again because of the type of ABS plastic it is. Once you get that done, just go ahead and throw it back on there, and it should tighten up decently for you. I'll go ahead and do the other ones later. So now it's got a pretty good fit up there as well. While you're at it, I would say also go ahead and clean up these little edges that they have. But 270 yen, $2.50. Can't complain too much. Let's see, what else do they have listed on here? They could be set to mark bricks, tiles, lumbers, laminate, etc. Bricks, oh my god, you're gonna break it first time you're out using it. If you take really good caution and care with it, you're gonna be fine. But I wouldn't worry about it. Unique tightening mechanism. Black on black is kind of difficult to see. Let me pull one of those off and let you see. There's a groove and a track system that runs along the back here, and all that they're doing is taking this piece, there you go, and they're letting that slide over the top of it so it locks. So you'll be able to tighten it up and it'll snug itself down without spinning. That's all they mean by that. One-handed operation? Nah. I'll give it to them. You can do one-handed operation on it, but it's not going to be easy. So maximum measurements, 25 centimeters by 12 inches. Yes, 25 by 12. line to line, definitely not end to end. Used for transferring angles, cuts, and other mediums. Yeah, you can transfer angles with it. So let's go ahead and loosen it up here. Give you an idea. I got my block out. You can set your angles up. Let's say I go ahead and I get it snugged down to some type of angle for operation that I want to do. And I'll use my marker and I'll draw a line. Let me go a little bit thicker so you can see. I'll draw a line there, so you got your line, and you just keep transferring the same line. That's pretty much all it is. So I could take that, flip it around, say it's a brick, and I'm trying to do a patio, I could transfer the same angle. So, like I said, a little office situation like this, you're going to be fine with it. But outside in the work area, save your money. Is it worth 270 yen? Spend your money, get it. 250 yen, especially if you got your points. Get it down to about 200 yen. I would expect to see this from maybe a dollar shop or possibly even the 100 yen shop here in Japan. Yeah. I would look around and see if you can find somewhere else. You could probably get something just as equally crappy in quality and construction.